Yes, I have. I absolutely have followed up with the prosecutor's office, and they will not help me. There are the Ohio Revised Code that provides, I think you can file a motion to assert your rights and so forth, and I'm requesting assistance doing that.
So we don't help with criminal issues. So we just help with municipal court civil issues here. I can give you a blank motion. It'll say civil on it. You can cross it out and write criminal, but that's kind of all I can do.
That's not okay. Is there a policy or something that says what you guys help with?
We're just a self-help center for people representing themselves in civil cases. That's just what we do.
Okay, well, let's talk about the civil case. Let's do that. Let's do that. So I have here two civil complaints that I was trying to file in the U.S. District Court.
So we only help with municipal court issues. We can't help with federal court.
I heard what you said, ma'am. What I'm saying is, do I have a remedy here in municipal court to file my action against the Columbus Division of Police and so forth?
I'm not allowed to give legal advice, so I can't review your situation and tell you what kind of claim you have. I can just give you information on how to find that out on your own.
Okay. How do I file a complaint, a civil complaint in municipal court about police misconduct and so forth?
So I can give you information about how to file something in the general division.
Okay.
I will bring that over to you.
And the motion form, please.
There isn't a the blank motion
form? Yes, ma'am. Reverend Andrew Wenmouth, at Strong City. I'm at the Franklin County Municipal Court Self-Help Resource Center. Just advised them of these crimes and so forth, and they're refusing to help as well. That is atrocious. It is absolutely atrocious. It is 12:37 p.m. and it is July 5th, 2024.
Okay, this is a blank motion form. This is a guide to filing in the civil courts general division here. It kind of talks about the type of cases that they hear in civil court here, jurisdictional limit of $15,000, where you can find the law, because you would want to do some research to look up under what law your claim is under, all the elements, and how to take the facts of your case and apply them to those elements. It also gives you the place to look up the local rules of civil procedure and evidence, because those are things that are going to be important if you are representing yourself. Different things to consider, and then some helpful resources. I think the law library is very, very helpful because they have obviously lots of information to help you represent yourself. Their website is also really good. They have a lot of forms on their website, and they have forms for the common pleas court as well, not just the municipal court. I don't think they have any federal court forms, but they're helpful there. Or you can go in person, which they have lots of books about, how to represent yourself. They also have some form guides, so some form books that have examples of forms. And then here is an example of what a complaint looks like in the municipal court as a guide for if you're drafting one, how to kind of format it and the kind of information you'll want to include.
Now, I lost my question. Yes. So evidence. If I've got evidence I want to attach, is that something? I'm indigent, completely indigent. Are you able to print that evidence out for me so that I can have access to the courts?
So you would you can go to the law library to get things printed.
And they charge for that.
Yeah. When I say
indigent, I have $0.
Yeah, and they do charge for it. The thing about evidence is you don't necessarily, you can attach exhibits to your complaint, but you don't necessarily attach all of your evidence to the complaint. Once you file a complaint in a civil case, the next step is called discovery, and you exchange all of your evidence with the other side. So you might be able to share those things with the other side electronically.
So the answer to my question is no, you guys won't print that out?
We can print things out, but we have a limit. We typically won't print out more than 25 pages per person just because we don't have the capacity.
That's good to know.
So we just have a limited amount of things that we can print
That's good
per
enough.
person,
And
just
then,
because we get kind of busy.
and then your computers, are those available for
Yeah.
patron use?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Awesome. All right, thank you very much. I'll
Yep.
check one out here shortly. Thank you.